Achibiem samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumede so yadani te kote guase ni nkranhya nsam enenso odi abred edu so no ye Badwam kase nsam no ne etoja omubia wo betini anti LGBTQ eho ensam no court se wonu mu adi case ne ba ye nya document bi ama ye nti ene ka ho ama delay no ekoso ye de ho nsam no ebebro na ye adwuma ye fon so agya adwuma no ato ho fi se niema bi a aban hyehyɛ so obeya ma wo mro nsanka yenti won kwa dwuma eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube Adom TV Tube yo ho ensem a me be kan eni bebre so e wa adomonline.com a log ya betimi age bracken kan me dey afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den nsem ni chemu ankasa etie. Judicial Service of Ghana say anti-LGBTQ+ ho ensemo na yenwie ka no ni nyina gina say won na de asem no eba court no wo munya document ana niema bia ebema court mpanifo atenase na wetoa asem ni die so munsem kase no edeba
na ye peso obia tiase free Judicial Service ni say bebia wokobia emra wo ho emraso wo ho say wudi so enti cases here on the issue of the sexual rights and family values bill no ne epese ye ka tro bia ne say emraso wo ho say wudi so Supreme Court betumi enya ho akwanya so obetie your ladyship ka say Dr. Amanda Odoi DA Attorney General and file any defense in the form of a statement of case into Supreme Court rules say or say within a certain time frame and I say within 14 days no about be file it omo chair de bato Attorney General and file any de afin so ye ko Richard Sky before Richard Sky the Dr. Amanda Odoi de no parties me sending na that is Dr. Amanda Odoi Speaker of Parliament, Attorney General, omo file and you maybe wa e was so omo file omo me sending na omo file omo joint memorandum of issues obian file that is in the case of Dr. Amanda Odoi. Obviously about Richard Sky and the Parliament of Ghana and Attorney General she say defendant and that is Attorney General Parliament omo file omo defense in the statement of as a form of a statement of case. Afi so parties me sending na obian file the needed memorandum of issues or say court no oba no ka say afi waye krado say obetie
adwuma for ya wo National Identification Authority say na wo gya adwuma no eye ni nyina no eye nhyehyɛ bi aban ne digu na kwan mu sebebo adwuma yefo a ebepem sabre ya manugu so ka say enye adwuma na wo mo echechire won sem a service terms and conditions yeah what said my for no wo mo ye ne ade ho benefit enfasode e wo so omunya no die nu aban no aye nti enei wo mo gya ade ato ho ye so kwa asante mantem mu de ne nipa to santen wo ho pa na so adwuma for no enye adwuma efi se ye wo so wo munya eboa won se adwuma for na enye no ene won se ka yenkase ahodo mu no saa ne no ye de bebrɛ mu ma yento so na yenko yensam foforo so emu founder and convener de Ghana Ebutu Reverend Benjamin Grant na wode to Ghana mabunu nyina so anim se won sori waka na won monka won mon so efa ahudie bibi nkoye wo so won mo ka amanyoni bi yade bi na nsem fata wo se utumi eka kire won mo tibre no aso ni kwanse ye na manyo nsem na mom de wa wo hwese Ghana ni de hye niema nkoye ede nchichemu ene mpapamu eba na wase wanum na waka emu nsem ene
abam pa ne yede na kokoto Ghana hada abribia ne mpenifo ne die na arehosam kase awom ne se bebi a omu gina ne eye hiafo emmobrofo ena tu apa den edema omo yendwen san krofo nyina ho yendwen sa ebri aso se wako school unko school the fagan na hu bia na ufi se enye no oso your mamba pa utu meka It just said you to me crady and casa a juma. A chain said, Yadi, my fruby. It can so be a co school. Now so call my me to say, Germania. Almost yadi pa be brinati brofo. China, so the same thing. Now so one more casa no Emma, one more tea, one more nearby ye acid. Met to me a can pain say obi wa Parliament House. A son brofo don't mean cat neboso asem. Asema ye adi here just all can to mean cat. And the brass who said, Ye na ni a bebum ni a doya my near ye ni papa, kuni a journey on mine no.
Organized labor say Yameya Duma Daya Wada demonstration at the Kiane Ebeba so warm strike and a woman ye Jumano, Kiana Kia, dear say Beba so, and Nina Nujina say Galamsenua, essay yensu, any enquiry, Brituno. I was a bino a desno to so mobianye galamse, and I say small scale mine, Jumebia. Now, one only a bino could see Kunyanso and Cosi, Tino, or my bone Timo Posa, ya wada dear, a Jumebian who are one mobile call. It was so.
The government meeting with organized labor's response. We have concluded as follows. Our strike remains unchanged. I want to repeat. The strike notice remains unchanged. We have the view that what the government has proposed to do does not adequately address our demands. Sure. And therefore, our notice of strike notice remains unchanged. Thank you.
Now, organized labor for strike. I want more bequeno. A bit more mudia one penny for in Yadrene. Into one more say one more and can't strikers and as a strike for no. If you say, yeah, cast more and could form a good year and only solution. Also, I drink what they buy in it.
Major concern now is what the labor, is it organized labor or disorganized labor, is talking about, and that is the major issue now. They have decided to declare a strike on the 10th of this particular month, that is October. We don't have a problem about that. They can declare the strike. But our concern as a member of that particular organization or institution is that we were not involved. We are not aware anything at all that they did. We want them to come back to us. Come and judge with us, for all of us to have our views so far as this is concerned. Because anytime we want to declare strike, other than national executives will take it up and bring it down to the local unions, so that the local unions will also come down with the members for us to discuss and vote on it. But this time around, it's just top approach. And you don't know why. We don't want to believe in what we are hearing, that some of them are taking whatever they say they are taking. We don't want to believe in those things. We don't want to.
Nenra, the Parliamentary Committee of Assurances of Parliament, and so don't rinse now one more at one. Now, so and the Minerals Commission, penny for a cassette, one more some dear Galamse, no, every may aquacudru, and no more no CEO, Emma Minerals Commission, dear. We swear, Jina, dear, would you say, and you see a cast womunya yen solution, and some no said your coye any.
When you say ban small-scale mining, this is my understanding. It means that don't allow anybody to do it lawfully. I understand the situation and the backlash from Ghanaians. Oh, stop it all together and reset, or pause or whatever. Then the guy in Tinga, the guy in Dakupe who has sunk a borehole, who has spent money to sink a shaft, he says, hang on, I am not by the white water or Pra or Cobra. Why do you want to, if you permit me, punish me because folks along the Pra, Brim and Co are misbehaving? Why don't you go and deal with that problem and let me do my work lawfully? Those are the issues we are faced with. So I advised government, and I told my minister that it will not be proper for us to have a wholesale ban. That's number one. On the grounds that a lot of them are, I mean, the whole of Takwa is underground mining, 5,000. So the moment you say we are banning small-scale mining, not Galamsey, because Galamsey is banned, it means they are asking 5,000 people in Takwa not to work, punishing them for something that is not their fault. So this is some of the conundrum that we face.
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de asia seda na ye odia emrani adaje ne mum koso ana ne ye ntena ye basisi ye nche de bon krata na de ba ne online de no ye de somo twen eba